Hello my dear students. In this video I am going to teach you about color in coordination complexes. Dear students, color in coordination complexes is due to a phenomena known as DD transition. Now to understand DD transition, I have written one example, that is hexa aqua titanium 3 ion. Alright. Now before I teach you this example, one thing we all know, that a sensation of color is produced when a light having wavelength within the visible region of electromagnetic spectrum strikes the retina of the eye. I hope it is clear. So a complex shows color when the white light passing through it is partly absorbed and partly reflected. Then the color shown by the complex is the complementary color. Complementary color. Remember. Alright. Now I will take the example of this complex coordination compound, its ion. Now this compound, on absorbing the light in the yellow-green region, it absorbs the light in the yellow-green region. Remember, it absorbs. Alright. And then it shows the complementary color, and that complementary color is violet for this complex. Remember, violet. Now let us understand how this thing happens. There is a phenomena I told you that DD transition is responsible behind that. So here we have a example of this complex ion. Titanium, we know atomic number 22. This is its electronic configuration. But if you see, titanium forms this compound in the 3+ oxidation state because water is a neutral ligand. Alright, so titanium tripositive ion will have the configuration argon-18 3d1. 3 electrons are removed from the titanium. Alright, now on applying CFT here, titanium tripositive ion, which is left with 1 electron in its 3D orbital. Alright, so 1 electron in its one of the 3D orbitals. Alright, on the approach of ligand H2O, 6 ligands H2O, titanium tripositive reaches to the hypothetical degeneracy. Alright, I hope you remember hypothetical degeneracy. Alright, now where it splits up into 2 sets of d orbital, lower energy T2g and higher energy EG set. Now this electron, which in the degenerate d orbitals, this electron was in one of the 3d orbital. In the hypothetical degeneracy also it is coming to one of the d orbital. After the splitting of the d orbital, it occupies the lower energy T2g orbital. Now when the light falls on this complex, alright, then this electron absorbs the light from the yellow-green region. After absorbing the light from the yellow-green region, it jumps from the lower energy to the higher energy. You see, situation is like that. These are the T2G set. Alright. After the absorption of energy, it jumps from T2G set to the higher energy EG set. From T2G to the EG set. This jumping of the electron from the lower energy to the higher energy set of d orbital on the absorption of the light of a particular region is known as DD transition. I hope it is clear to you. All the coordination complexes, they have color due to this phenomena DD transition. Now, presence of ligand is very, very important for a complex to be colored. You know why? Because presence of ligand only will cause the splitting of d orbital, which means if these ligands are removed by any mean, the complex will lose its color. That's what happened. And I will take a very simple example which you are being studying from your lower classes. Blue vitriol. All of you know about blue vitriol, copper sulfate 5H2O. You know it is blue in color. But if we remove these 5 molecules of water, then it turns white. You know why? Because these 5 water molecules are ligands for the copper. Cu2 plus ions, which causes the splitting of the d orbital, and the splitting of the d orbital will definitely result into dd transition. Now, on removing of these 5 water molecules, ligands are removed. If ligands are not there, dd transition will not be there, and if dd transition will not be there, then complex will not show color. I hope you have understood dd transition.